Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Spotted this fella, cost me £1. Space Invaders. Can we get that on the screen? Oh, there we go. Space Invaders, Taito Corporation, 1978. No, 1978 to 2012. Can we get that in the light there? All rights reserved. It cost me £1 in Children's Hospice Southwest. See if we can get that off, just in case there's anything else written underneath. I don't think there is. She said use better quality labels. It's not too bad. So, what do you think it does when we wind it up? Being a Space Invader, let's get the position right. Just like a real Space Invader. Might be interesting to have a little peek inside. Okay. So, standard Clockwork motor, but what makes it go forwards and backwards? Oh, right, I see. Is that going to come out easily? Yeah. Excellent. So what we've got, if I can get that out, you can come out. Well, I think it'll come out. I might have to undo those other screws just to get it. Oh no, yeah, we're going to do it because it's going to work its own way out. There we are. Very simple. So all we've got is teeth on a crown gear, but only on about a quarter. Can we see that clearly? Yeah, only on about a quarter of the surface. So it only moves when those, what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 teeth. So when they're going round for 1/4 of the turn, they're turning that gear, and it's going to be turning the wheel in one direction. Then when it goes round the other way, it will be touching that gear, but that'll actually turn the wheel in the opposite direction. That's incredibly simple. That's brilliant. That's so simple. Wind it up and see if we can do it with me holding it in place. That is so simple. That is brilliant. Yeah, oh, that was worth taking apart just to see how that worked. That's that in there. So if I wind that now. Right, there we go. I'll just put a little bit of blue tack on it. Yeah, well that works.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.